that's another week done. Over and done with. Ready now to start the weekend. I'm really looking forward to the weekend this weekend. Got a ride planned on Sunday. Hopefully a bit of a ride again tomorrow. Saturday as well. That is about 110 an hour, so hopefully we'll get a decent sound. I have got the chin curtain on, have not got the feather on still. I'm not finding it too bad without the feathers. I probably won't worry about that, but just wanted to do a little bit of a speed run just to see how the sound comes through. On the weekend we will be doing a bit of high speed riding, so hopefully, as I say, the sound's coming through okay without too much wind noise. If it is coming through a bit blustery and that, I will put the feather filter on. I just want to double check and see whether we're actually going to need it first. Then I get stuck in traffic, so that kills the test a little bit, but not to worry. Number one traffic jam. Yeehaw. I don't normally come this way, so I don't strike this, but today I just, as I say, I thought I'd just do a bit of a test run at higher speed, and lo and behold, bam, cop the traffic jam. Should have gone with my original intention, go the other way on the highway, but not to worry, we shall survive it. Could be a bit of a nightmare run, this one. Part of the reason for the hold up there, everyone's stopping to have a gander at what's happening. Getting out of this lane, that is the question. Or is he just changing so he's in the right lane for the exit up here? Jumped on the bike. I came down Row Highway just to, well, I wanted to test the speaker at 110, 120 and see how it came out, but yeah, I got stuck in traffic, so destroyed my plans, the traffic did. The traffic destroyed my plans. Yeah. Hey, you're not allowed to swear on YouTube, keep it down. Okay. Yeah, have indeed. Okay, love me, bye. Yes, as I was saying before I got in the traffic jam, we will be doing a bit of higher speed stuff this weekend and getting a bit of footage of the country and that, so it should be pretty awesome. I'm thoroughly looking forward to it. Hopefully I can get some decent footage to put up on YouTube. It would be nice, one would say. Nice time to ride at the moment. It's starting to get dark. It really is relaxing. Have to set up the external microphone on the back camera too. I'll do that before I go out on the weekend. So as far as I'm aware, there are about 25 to 30 bikes coming on this ride, so should be very good fun, one would say. Pretty good fun indeed. It's amazing what a difference having the screen on this bike. It's a little bit higher screen than the other bikes. It seems to make a hell of a difference on the sound quality with the recordings. This one's set up for touring. Actually got touring tyres on it. It's a full moon tonight. Getting quite a bit of wind buffeting on the helmet, so as I say, it'll be interesting to see how it comes out on the video, whether the noise factor on the sound is crappy or not. Hopefully not. Really is an enjoyable time to ride at the moment. Mind you, saying that, any time really is an enjoyable time to ride.